Sunny Health and Fitness T7643 heavy-duty walking treadmill with 350 pounds high weight capacity, wide walking area and folding for storage. Shed big calories with the SFT7643 heavy-duty folding walking treadmill. Large walking surface area, huge switch, huge handrails. Did I say huge? High weight capacity of 350 pounds with a big treadmill walking room, 44.5 liters x 19.5 watts, that can be moved easily with the transport wheels. Safe as well as simple folding, and also unfolding with soft drop system. Large switches, so you do not squint seeking the start or quit. Large simple to check out fast rate switches, 1, 3, 5 miles per hour, and big strong handrails provide you the confidence to stroll quick. Large mug owners for hydration as well as the most significant integrated tablet holder range of phones, 2-in-1 laptop computers approximately 13 inches. Emergency situation quick clip. Keep an eye on gains and also losses with easy to review backlit multi-display console. Screens, calories burned, rate, distance. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.